Welcome back to our C programming lecture series. In this lecture, we will discuss about constants. In previous tutorial, I have discussed about variables. We have discussed variables and their data types in previous tutorials. Now in this tutorial, I will use constant. What we have to do for using constant, I have to make use of define keyword at the top of this main. I will define here any constant. I will write keyword define, D-E-F-I-N-E, define. Suppose I will declare any constant. So I have to write define. We have to write define like this, hash define, hash define, hash define. Now like variable, I have to use any name in which I can store some constant. So I will use suppose my name, and this my name is constant. Define my name. What? Define my name. I will give it a value. Suppose I will give it a value my name as Indus Robots. Indus Robots, I have given it a name. So I have declared a constant my name in which I have assigned a value of Indus Robots. Now I will make use of this Indus Robots in this page. Suppose I want to print this. I will write printf. I will mention a name. I will mention a name of this constant. That is my name, and I will write printf my name. So, but my name is a string because it contains string. I have already mentioned that this is a group of characters. So it is in the form of string. So I cannot use %c. I will use %s. %s is for strings. %s. This is in the form of string. So I will use %s. If this is a value, if I have declared some constant, but that is a number, that time I will use %d. But this is a string. If I have declared some character, I will use %c. Similarly, we use in variables, we can use in constants as well. So I will write %s my name. %s my name. So I will see the output of this program. It will write Indus Robots. This is my output, Indus Robots. So now if I will use only one character, this is a char, I can use %c, because this is a character, but this is a constant. This is, I have declared my name as I, and this output is I, and because I used %c, it will print whatever is stored in this my name, and the value stored in my name is a character, and for that character to be printed, I have used %c. Similarly, I can use any number. So I have not to use quotes that time. Number can be written like it is. Define my name as 5. I have to write here %d. So this is our output 5. But what is the difference between variables and constants? In variables, our value can be changed, but in constants, our value cannot be changed. I have defined a constant my name in which the value is 5. Suppose I want to change this value. I will do my name is equal to, I will add a 1 to this 5. My name is equal to my name plus 1. So our my name should get updated to 6 because I have incremented it by 1. From 5 it should become 6, and that should be assigned to my name, and 6 has been assigned to my name, and that my name should be printed here, and that my name should contain the value of 6, and that 6 should be printed. But the 6 will not get printed. It will show an error. Why it will show an error? This is an error we got. This is showing error because this is a constant. The value of constant cannot be changed. We are changing the value of constant here. We are trying to change the value of constant here. Suppose I will give it a name, define x as 5. So this x is a constant, okay, in which I am assigning a value of 5, and I am trying to change the value of x. X is equal to x plus 1, and I want to print this x here, but this will show an error. Exactly, this is showing error because this is a constant. Value of constant cannot be changed, so I cannot increment it by 1. So this x should print only 5 because that is defined here. It cannot be changed as it is a constant. So the only difference in variable and constant is that in variables we were able to change the value, but in constant we are not able to change the value. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Indus Technologies.